Providence Sacred Heart Medical Center is closing its child inpatient psychiatric unit this Saturday. Nurses and employees are rallying against that decision. The hospital blames a lack of qualified workers for inpatient facilities. Derek Strom is live at Cowley Park, where that rally is now underway.
Derek, Kirsten, the Washington State Nurses Association helped organize this rally and says this decision to close will leave a vulnerable population without access to high-level care. But Inland Northwest Behavioral Health says it's prepared to take on any patients that won't be able to come to Sacred Heart anymore.
You have 25 beds, and they had 24 beds. And we found over the last 3 years, we started to take more of the adolescents and them take less of the patients.
Inland Northwest Behavioral Health says they've been in discussion with Providence often about its decision to close the inpatient child psychiatric unit. CEO Arlen Wickel says INHB will be expanding its adolescent services to 12-year-olds to be able to accommodate the patients that won't be able to go to Sacred Heart anymore.
So a lot of our patients we've actually shared in common throughout the existence of our adolescent unit. It's been in existence for well over 4 years. That being said, we have child and adolescent specific psychiatrists here. We've got well-trained nursing staff.
Hall says that mental health issues are rampant throughout all age ranges, and Inland Northwest Behavioral Health wants to offer help to anyone who needs it. Says there's plenty of stigma around the topic of mental health, but there are plenty of things you can do to help those around you.
So if somebody's isolating, if maybe their work product is off, if you're an employer, maybe if there's increased anger or inability to cope with issues, maybe there's increased substance use.
Wickel says there's been some progress around destigmatizing talking about mental health, but we still have a long way to go.
Being there for your family, your friends, what have you, don't create any a cold shoulder to people. Just be there for them.
Now, Wickel says the Spokane community has done a good job providing more access to mental health treatment, but the decision to close Sacred Heart's inpatient child psychiatric unit does mean there will be 22 fewer beds come Saturday. Live in Spokane, Derek Strom, 4 News Now.